Have you ever seen the birds that can fly through air and water? It's called puffins. First glazed, it might look like tiny penguins with colorful clown beaks, but they're actually incredible flyers and swimmers. These birds spend most of their lives out at sea, only returning to land to lay their eggs on steep cliffs. Puffins are one of the few animals built like a perfect hybrid part bird, part submarine. In the air, they beat their wings incredibly fast, around 300 to 400 times per minute, giving them the lift they need to fly. But underwater, they use the exact same wings like flippers. Their bones are slightly heavier than most birds, which helps them sink instead of float, and their wings are short and powerful, perfect for flying through water, the same way they fly through the sky.